What's up, everybody, and welcome back into the kitchen. Today we're gonna be doing one of my favorite schoolhouse recipes. We're doing sloppy joes. Now this is a completely vegan friendly edition, and I know that everyone is going to enjoy it, so let's begin. Alright, so let's start off by small to medium dicing a half a red onion. If you don't have a red onion, go ahead and use a white or yellow onion. I just so happen to have a red onion on hand. Now we're going to do the same thing for a bell pepper. Again, if you don't have multiple peppers, that's fine. I just so happen to have a bunch of different peppers, so I wanted to make a whole rainbow pepper thing going on. You guys see why I love tricolor peppers? How pretty is that? Okay, so in a pan, a pot, or a skillet, we're gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon and a half of vegetable oil or olive oil and add our peppers and onions in there to make sure they get nice and sauteed. We want to go ahead and sweat those out before we go ahead and add our seasonings in. Go ahead and season it with a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of black pepper, as well as a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, also a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, also a tablespoon of chili powder. Now mix that all up and be sure not to let anything burn, because it will taste like burnt in your recipe if you're not careful. So I'll go ahead and add 2 cups of vegetable stock. While our vegetable stock is boiling, I just like to rinse off my lentils. You can use red, yellow, green, blue, whatever you like. I'm just so happen to be using yellow lentils. Now go ahead and mix those in. We're gonna go ahead and cover those up for about 15 to 20 minutes, being sure to stir every 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of freshly minced garlic and then mix that up. Now I've taken the liberty of making my own vegan Worcestershire sauce. We only need a tablespoon of that. I will go ahead and put that in my description, as well as a tablespoon of tomato paste. Mix that up really nice. That's going to really help develop this recipe, is the tomato paste and that Worcestershire sauce. So please don't skip that recipe, guys. We're going to also add a tablespoon of brown sugar or coconut sugar. I so happen to have some coconut sugar, so whatever you got, use it, please, guys. Alright, I'm also adding a half a cup of chili paste or chili sauce. Let's go ahead and cover that up for another 15 minutes or so. I want to make sure my lentils are nice and soft, so when they come out, oh man, look at this. It's almost like a vegan ground beef. This is delicious. And the smell is phenomenal. Boom, there we go. You can make a sloppy joe, you can make chili, you can make pretty much anything, but this is a vegan sloppy joe, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. It's a great game day recipe. It's a great anything, guys. Enjoy.